Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a post on Blogspot, but you actually have to go to blogger.com to create the post. The Blogspot is actually for the actual site, so just select new post on the blog you want. I'm just going to select a new blog actually, and I'm just going to name it test. Or not. Okay, maybe that's like too much of a hassle. So select new post to create the blog. I'm just going to name it the title of my writing, which is called The Rug. And then here you can adjust the font type, the paragraph, etc. You can insert image, you can even insert video, insert link, insert special characters, etc., and quote text, like so. But I'm just going to post it as is. Then you can preview it, or you can just straight away publish it, like so. This will publish the sorted poem to the blog, and I'm just going to go where the blog is. I think it's in view, and it's going to open my blog. If you want to read it, it's this right here. Hopefully you can see the link, but I write a lot. I don't write anymore that much, but I will try writing again. But that's pretty much how you can post a blog on blogspot.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!